Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you products you can use to fix your skin barrier if your skin barrier has been disrupted or damaged. This product that contains these key ingredients which I'll be mentioning to you. You have to look out for products that contains these ingredients I'll be mentioning in this video, and I'll be sharing some of those products with you. Those are the products you need to use when you want to fix your damaged or disrupted skin barrier, and I will be telling you the causes and the signs of a damaged skin barrier. I'll be sharing a lot with you, so this video is something you would like to watch. So do make sure to hit on that red subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and share this video with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. So how do you know that your skin barrier has been disrupted or damaged? These are the signs you will get. Some of you will experience dryness. Maybe you have a very moisturized and normal skin. You start experiencing skin dryness, itchiness. You start experiencing skin infections such as eczema and rashes all over your face. You experience water loss, like your skin feel dehydrated. You start seeing wrinkles all over your face. You get things like thinning of the skin. This thinning of the skin is mostly when you use bleaching products, like very very harsh products on your skin. That is when you experience thinning of the skin, like harsh chemicals like steroids and hydroquinone. Use it for a very long time consistently, it's going to damage your skin barrier. Okay, then another thing is you experience stinginess. Okay, yes, I know this statement is controversial because not it's not in all cases. Okay, like when you start using a new ingredient, maybe an active, a product that has actives in it, and your skin is not yet used to that product. For example, glycolic acid. I can remember when I just started using glycolic acid. I've never used it before. It was my first time. Within the first, second, third week, I was experiencing this sting whenever I use that glycolic toner on my skin. I experienced that sting for just about 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, and before you know, my skin got used to the ingredients, so I don't experience that anymore. So that particular stinginess is different, on a different level. Do you get? So this one I'm talking about, this is a product you use. Maybe you use an active like this glycolic toner, you use it, your skin has gotten used to it, but all of a sudden you start using it again and it stings you for a very long time, like you experience this thing for 3 to 5 minutes. Then this one is not normal. Just know that your skin barrier has been disrupted and you need to stop products, stop actives, stop some certain things just to repair your skin barrier. Okay, so in the course of this video, I will tell you the things you need to stop or avoid doing when you want to fix your skin barrier. Okay, so that is how to know the signs and the symptoms for you to know that okay, your skin barrier has been disrupted and it has been damaged, and it's time for you to take care of your skin. So okay, my darlings, you might be wondering, what are the causes of a damaged skin barrier or a disrupted skin barrier? You might be wondering why your skin is going bad and rashes, eczema. You might just be suspecting a lot of things. Number one is sun exposure. Yes, this is for people that don't like to use sunscreen, or you say sunscreen makes you sweat. See, sunscreen is essential in your skincare routine during the day. My dear, don't deceive yourself. If you like, buy all the whole expensive lotion and serums and everything and use it on your skin, and you just go out under the sun without protecting your skin, you're going to end up damaging your skin. Sunscreen protects you from a lot of things, from sunburn, from skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, age spots. It does a lot. Skin cancer, it does a lot. So when you expose yourself to the sun, it's going to disrupt and damage your skin barrier. Number two is using harsh lotions or body soaps. Okay, so some of you use products, you like to bleach your skin. I don't know why we don't like to appreciate the skin that God gave to us. I am not saying if your skin is dull, you should not try and polish it for it to look brighter and more beautiful, for you to have that radiant complexion. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, you want to become 2 to 3 shades lighter than what your skin is or naturally is. And using products, if you want to use products to do that, definitely it's going to be a harsh product. So when you use products that contain steroids, hydroquinone, mercury, those products that will make you white in 7 days, in 14 days mass, those products will disrupt your skin barrier. That is the truth. Have you seen people that bleach? Have you seen how their skin looks like? Roasted plantain. Some parts is burnt, some parts is red, some parts is yellow, some parts is green. Only you have 7 colors on your skin. Those are the things disrupting your skin barrier, and you need to stop it. Go and throw those cream and those soap right away. You people that use Fombate, you rub it on your face as face cream, repent. That thing is damaging your skin barrier. Okay. Number 3 is over exfoliation. There are some of you, I don't even know, like, because you were told that exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cell and reveal a brighter and softer, smoother skin. Some of you started abusing it. Some of you exfoliate 4 times a week, some of you every single day. Like, please, what is the color of your problem exactly? Come here and talk to me. I don't understand. Some of you abuse everything. Please, exfoliation should be done twice a week, at most 3 times. Me, I do my exfoliation on Mondays and Thursdays. Mondays and Thursdays every week. I don't do 3 times exfoliation. Some of you use chemical exfoliants on your face. You will use glycolic acid on Monday, use it on Tuesday, use it on Wednesday, use lactic acid on Thursday, use salicylic acid on Friday. Please now, that is over exfoliating your skin. Even if you want to use your chemical exfoliants on your face, like glycolic, lactic acid, maybe products that contain salicylic acid and all of that, maybe in form of serum, sheet mask, toner, or face wash, just use it twice or 3 times a week. The same way you exfoliate your body with your sugar scrub 2 times a week is the same way you should exfoliate with your chemical exfoliants on your face 2 or 3 times a week. Just pick days that you will be using those exfoliants. Don't overdo it. When you over exfoliate your skin, trust me, you will disrupt your skin barrier. In fact, you will hate your skin, because you will break out the more. So many things will just be doing you on that face, like you just get tired, and some of you be blaming it on the product you're using, not knowing that you are the one abusing that product. When they tell you, your skincare giver tells you, use this product 2 times a week, madam, follow them and do it 2 times a week. Don't go and do your own, and then when you damage your skin barrier, you blame it on the person or you blame it on the product. Okay, my darlings, I'm going to be mentioning some skincare ingredients that you need to look out for when you want to fix your skin barrier. Okay, these ingredients will help repair your skin barrier and fix that problem. All right, so the first on my list is ceramides. Okay, so ceramides are important in retaining your skin moisture. They are lipids found on the upper layers of your skin, and it helps to replenish and restore your skin barrier. Okay, so look out for products that contains ceramides. All right, then the number 2 is niacinamide. This ingredient is beneficial for the skin barrier because it increases the ceramide production. It helps strengthen the skin structure and aid better water retention. When your skin barrier is damaged, you lose water from your skin becomes dry and dehydrated. So you need to incorporate niacinamide in your skincare routine when you want to repair your skin barrier. Okay, so the third one is hyaluronic acid. This ingredient helps to draw moisture deep into your skin. Okay, it helps to plump up your skin, it draws in moisture into your skin, and this is one ingredient you don't want to miss out on when you want to fix your skin barrier. Okay, then we have other ingredients that are very good as well, that helps to soothe and calm our skin, like cucumber, aloe vera juice. We also have another wonderful ingredient, squalene, like a lot of them, but these ones are the ones I'll be mentioning. So look out for ingredients like this in your skincare products. Also, in the course of fixing your skin barrier, there are certain ingredients you need to also avoid, okay, because it is just going to worsen the state of your skin, and those are acids like AHAs and BHA. Under AHA, we have fruit acid, lactic acid, glycolic acid, then salicylic acid also. Just avoid anything acid at that point. I'm not talking about hyaluronic acid, though. That one is different. I'm talking about these actives, like, that can be used to exfoliate the skin. Okay, glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid should be avoided. All right. Then secondly, you need to avoid over exfoliation. I've talked about it in the causes of disrupted or damaged skin barrier. Over exfoliation, don't exfoliate your skin. Okay, when you are trying to repair your skin barrier, don't exfoliate your skin. All right, allow your skin heal. You trying to fix your skin barrier is like trying to give your skin time to heal and recover from all the troubles you have put it through. Okay, so those are the things. And avoid harsh chemicals or anything. What you should focus on are using um products that contains these ingredients I mentioned: peptides, squalene, ceramides, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid. Those are the kind of skincare ingredients, moisturizing ingredients are what you should focus on using on your skin when you want to fix your skin barrier. Okay, then secondly, you avoid exposing your skin to the sun too often. You use sunscreen when you're going out during the day. You wear your sunscreen, you wear your sunglasses, just protect your skin. Okay, so here are some of the products I'll be recommending you buy when you want to fix your skin barrier. Okay, so it's not a must you buy this particular product, but I've already mentioned the ingredients you should look out for when you want to buy products. And these products, we have them in our store at Yanga Beauty Shop. Okay, so you can send me a message, check our description box, send us a WhatsApp message to order any of these products I'll be mentioning here. Okay, so the number one is face wash. I'll be recommending the Fix Fat Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser, or you can get the CeraVe. Face Fat is more like a dupe of CeraVe. It is affordable and it is also very good. Okay, so you can get face wash, face fat ceramide hydrating cleanser. It contains 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid and oats. Okay, so the number 2 for face toner, I recommend Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid essence toner. Okay, this toner is very good. It helps to plump up your skin and helps to draw in moisture into your skin. Then the number 3 is the Balance Niacinamide Serum. As I'm mentioning it, that's the way you should layer it. You wash your face, you allow it dry, you pat it dry, you apply your toner, and then you allow it dry, you apply your serum. This Balanced Niacinamide Serum is also very good. I've explained what niacinamide does, the ingredients, so it's going to help your skin barrier. So the next one is face moisturizer or face cream. Okay, so if you have an oily or combination skin, I'll be recommending the Eastrin hyaluronic acid aqua gel cream. Okay, I've used the small sachet. It is amazing. It has no smell, like no fragrance in it. It doesn't have harsh chemical. It helps to soothe and calm your skin. Okay, so this particular moisturizer contains 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid and sodium PCA for deep moisturization and hydration. It contains plant-based squalene and aloe vera juice that keeps your face suited and smooth. Okay, so like I said, it is best for those with oily and combination skin. You will definitely love it. And I forgot to mention that if your skin barrier is disrupted or damaged, please avoid products that has fragrance. Avoid product that has fragrance. Okay, go for products that are fragrance free and doesn't contain any harsh chemical. Okay, so this particular face moisturizer is very, very nice and it leaves your face glowing. I so much love it. Okay, so the number 2 moisturizer for dry skin type. Okay, I will recommend the Eucerin Skin Calming Itch Soothing Cream. Okay, this particular cream will be perfect for those with dry skin, so it's going to help repair your skin. It doesn't have fragrance in it. It is fragrance free. It doesn't have color, so it is a very, very good face moisturizer. My darling, okay, one thing you need to know when you're trying to fix your skin barrier is to keep your skincare routine very simple. That is not the time you'll be saying, I want to lighten my face. I don't understand. You are trying to fix your skin, heal your skin that is already inflamed, that is already damaged or disrupted, and you're looking for lightening ingredients. Please leave anything lightening, exfoliating, whatever, just leave it. You should focus more on products that will help moisturize and hydrate your skin, that will help soothe and keep your skin calm. All right, those are the kind of products and skincare ingredients you should look out for. All right, so the last product or the last thing I'll be recommending here is sunscreen. Like I've said before, sun exposure is one of the reasons why your skin barrier can get damaged. So get a sunscreen, because when you're treating or trying to heal your skin, you need to also protect it. If you don't wear sunscreen, it's just like going out or pouring your water in a basket. So you need to protect your skin. Wear a sunscreen. You can get any good sunscreen of your choice that doesn't leave a white cast. We have the Nivea water gel sunscreen. We have the Aqua. We have a lot of them. We have so many. I don't start mentioning, but right now, safe. I can't even remember a lot. Like right now, I can't remember a lot. So there are a lot of sunscreen out there. You should look out for. You can send me a message. We also have lots of sunscreen you can buy from us as well at affordable rates and the original products. Okay, so send us a message to order. So my darlings, another skincare tip or jara I can add for your skincare routine in order to help repair your skin barrier is, incorporating face sheet mask in your skincare routine. You can use this 2 times a week. Okay, it is not compulsory, but it is necessary as well. Don't mind this English I'm speaking. It is necessary, but it's not a must. These ones I've mentioned can just do the job. Okay, with time, your skin barrier will come back to normal, it will heal. But you can add this face sheet mask. Okay, and when you want to buy, you don't go and buy the ones that are exfoliating. They have salicylic acid face sheet mask, they have glycolic acid face sheet mask, and all of that. So if you want to buy, you go for the ones that are very moisturizing, like honey face sheet mask, aloe vera face sheet mask, cucumber, peptides. I've seen face sheet masks that are very, very good. Don't want to be buying those fruit ones. Those ones are not the ones I'm talking about. Even if you want to buy, you buy the cucumber or you buy the aloe vera. Okay, so just buy moisturizing ones, the ones that will help. Hyaluronic acid face sheet mask, yes, those ones are available, so you can buy those ones and use it on your skin and reap the benefits of face sheet mask. Okay, so stay subscribed so that I'm going to educate you and give you the knowledge on how to layer and pair some certain skincare ingredients and products. Okay, so you can achieve a very good result. All right, besties, there is no such thing as a perfect skin. All right, what we are all working towards is to have a healthy skin, a better skin texture, and that beautiful glow, and a radiant and even complexion. And you need to take it one step at a time. Don't go on looking for products that is going to do the work in 3-7 days, in 1-2 weeks. Like, those products are going to be harsh on your skin, and it's going to help not help, it's going to damage your skin. Okay, so you should identify your skin type and work on your skin concern. If pimples is your skin concern, you work on it. If it is sunburn, you work on it. If you want to get brighter, you have a brighter complexion, you work on it. So you can send me a message and recommend products you can buy from us, and gradually, with patience and consistency, take your skin to where you want it to be. Okay, don't be in a rush. Like me, I don't have a perfect skin. I also have some ups and downs. Like, I have an oily face, so I have breakout, especially when I'm about to see my period. Like, this breakout is terrible, and I've been working on it and I've been seeing the improvement. Okay, so make sure to hit another subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. All right, thank you so much for watching this far. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.